The Urban Arts Club is a non-competitive after-school program that focuses on exploring the foundations of hip-hop as culture. And this program is unique in that we invite teaching artists to come in and share their gifts with the students.
Kick, snare, everyone, kick, snare, kick. So today's workshop is the culmination of many years of attempting to collaborate between myself and Dr. Glow, and had wanted to do it for several years and finally was able to secure, I think it was a state grant, which has enabled today's workshop as well as an ongoing 8-week series of beat-making workshops to be part of the Urban Arts Club that she runs after school on Mondays.
The best way I can describe how I felt when I found out that I was awarded for the Vibrant Communities Grant from Georgia Council of Arts, I felt like Simone Biles doing a floor routine. I want the children to be able to have authentic experiences in hip-hop as culture. So I need people who do this for a living, but I want to be able to pay them to do that. And then also we have a goal of purchasing our own equipment so that after the 8-week program, our students will have their own beat-making lab and then they can continue with the work.
I think the music we are making is good. I like the drum beats and the piano and the bass, all the different type of musics put together.
The instructor was so surprised on how we made the beat, and Chandler, he chose the greatest bass. Even the instructor said it was wonderful, and I added my little sprinkle in there. I added a little underwater effect like towards the end.
When you're teaching young people something and they're able to create around it, they'll never forget it. Maybe some of them leave today and they want to continue to make beats. Maybe they don't, but the most part is they had fun.
When you teach someone how to construct something, you also teach them critical thinking skills to learn how to deconstruct something and think about the component parts that create the whole. So we're teaching them different kind of literacies: musical literacy, creative literacies, emotional literacies, to be able to relate to other people and express themselves in their internal emotional states. And I think we do that non-verbally through beat making and create non-verbal narratives. And we're teaching them the structure, the format, but also how to add their brushstroke, right? Whatever comes from within, their kind of true self.
My goal is to help people realize that hip-hop can be used in a classroom, because hip-hop as culture has all the answers for a lot of the trends in education. We have social emotional learning aspects. We have STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math built into beat making. And it's just amazing to see how well the children grasp the concept easily, because a lot of it is a part of who they are.
On 3, Urban Arts Club. 1, 2, 3.